Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload Xbox One clips to your PC using OneDrive. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen where your system tray is located. You'll notice the OneDrive icon sitting there among your other system icons. Go ahead and click on it to open your OneDrive window. This is your gateway to syncing files between your Xbox and PC, making it incredibly convenient to access your gaming clips without any manual file transfers. Now, to upload your Xbox One clips to your PC via OneDrive, navigate to the top right corner of your OneDrive window. You'll see a gear icon there, which represents your settings menu. Click on it and a context menu will appear with several options. From this context menu, click on Settings. This will open the Microsoft OneDrive settings window, which gives you control over how OneDrive manages your files and folders. Once the settings window appears, look at the left side menu where you'll find various configuration options. Click on Sync and Backup. This section is where you can manage which folders are automatically synced between your devices and OneDrive's cloud storage. From here, you'll see a button labeled Manage Folder. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. A new window will now appear showing all the synced folders you currently have under your OneDrive and computer. This is where you can customize exactly which folders get automatically backed up and synced. Now, simply locate the Xbox One Clips folder in this list. To enable syncing for this folder, click on the toggle button next to it. Once you do this, the folder will be activated for sync, and your Xbox clips will automatically be uploaded to your OneDrive. This means anytime you capture new gameplay, it'll sync seamlessly to your PC without you having to manually transfer anything. And that's it. You've successfully set up OneDrive to automatically upload your Xbox One clips to your PC. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.